Today, I want to talk to you about a tool called WordSpinner. It's an AI-powered tool and it does a lot more than just spin words. Let's get into it. So this is the website of WordSpinner, and as you can see, they claim to have a 10 times faster way to write SEO, to write ads, to write blogs, and much more. All right, you have a 5-day free trial you can actually get into. And I have a link right down in the description that you can use. WordSpinner has a lot of different use cases like social media, generating copy for that, websites and articles, advertising, creating frameworks like Ada, writing emails, creating art. It even generates AI art with Dolly for you. I think it actually looks like a very professionally designed tool. I've been using it, of course, and I love it. So these are the people that the tool is made for. So digital agencies, product designers, entrepreneurs, copywriters, digital marketers, developers can even write code for you, advertisers, bloggers. So if you have a blog, you can write your blogs within WordSpinner, and students. It has 75 plus templates, and that is actually growing by the week. All right, but without further ado, let's just jump into WordSpinner and let me show you the tool. You can sign up by clicking start or sign in if you already have an account. So when you first log into WordSpinner, you're greeted with a dashboard where you can see how much words you have left, how much words you can generate, how much images you have left, and also you can jump into the advanced rewriter right away, or you can explore all the templates that they have. So let's just explore the templates and see what they have to offer. As you can see, of course, they have the advanced rewriter. So that's actually the first tool they ever started with. At first, WordSpinner was just a tool where you could, let's say, paste your email in and it would rewrite your email and make it even better. Or you could paste a blog in there and it would rewrite the blog and even fix your grammar and make it even better, right? So right now WordSpinner has grown to this massive tool with all kinds of different AI features. So one of them is the advanced rewriter. So let's just test that one. As you can see, the only thing you have to do is paste a certain text in here and it will rewrite the text. So let's just find a blog. So let's maybe how to grow on TikTok 2023. So let's just Google something and let's just take this one, how to get more followers on TikTok. Great. Let's just do the first two paragraphs and just paste it in here. Right, so now we have a certain text we want to have written, and we'll use English. You can also use other languages, as you can see. Let's say the length, let's make it, in this case, 250 words. You want one results. You can even create multiple results. So you have different versions of the text that is rewritten. Creativity, you have different ways of writing stuff. I like to use optimal because the max creativity might mean that it goes off track a bit. But optimal sounds good to me. And the tone of voice can be convincing, but maybe, let's see, maybe curious will be nice for this one, or let's see, professional might be nice if you're writing, let's say, an email or rewriting an email. But let's just go for enthusiastic. All right. So now the only thing you have to do is click generate, and it will start actually writing the new paragraphs, right? Rewritten. So as you can see, it said here, want to get more followers on TikTok. Now it says looking to increase your TikTok followers. So that's great, right? And then you've come to the right place. It says you're in the right place. So it actually rewrites it. It will create a new text based on the parameters you actually put in right here, right? So I put in maximum length 250 words, and that's what it did. It created a shorter text for me based on these two paragraphs. So right now it actually saves this into my documents. I don't have to do anything for that. Right here into my documents is this saved new text. I can also download it or copy it, so I can immediately paste it somewhere else. So if I go to my documents right now, we will see looking to increase your TikTok followers right there. You can see how many tokens it used. You can edit and continue. You can move it into a folder. You can create folders. So this way, all the different projects that you have can go into their own folder. So let's head back to all templates to see what else they have to offer. You could generate an AI product description for your web shop or something like that, your online shop. You could generate an article, a testimonial, a blog section, description, blog post ideas, right? Let's just test out this blog post ideas. Let's see what happens. In this case, you can just write a prompt. Let's say we would want to create 10 blog post ideas about writing content online, something like that. And then we'll click generate, and now it's creating 10 blog post ideas, right? So this is great because in this way you could just have it make the outline for a blog post, and you can actually rewrite the whole blog post based on this outline. I would argue this is even great when you're creating a presentation and you want some bullet points or something like that. You could actually ask WordSpinner to create that for you as well. As you can see, it created a 10-point article. You can add spaces to it, 10 surefire blog post ideas to elevate your online content writing. So this is great. You could actually use this to create a blog post. And if you want a longer post, you could change the maximum length to, let's say, 800 words or 1000 words. And then you could even, have it write the whole blog post for you, right? So let's just head into all templates again. And as you can see, you could even write a YouTube video description, YouTube video title, YouTube video tag. So this is amazing. This is just, if you're building a YouTube channel, this is a must, right? You don't have to think about all these things yourself. You just generate it with WordSpinner. It even generates Instagram captions, even hashtags. Let's see what more does it do. FAQ generator. This is great because now you could add FAQs to your website generated by WordSpinner. Also, if you have problems with your grammar, if your grammar is lacking sometimes, you could just use grammar correction, paste in a certain text, and it will eliminate the grammar errors for you and enhance it. All right, this is a great feature. If you're big on reading blogs and articles, but you don't have as much time, you could even use this summarization tool. Let's say we want to have a summary of this article. We could just paste in this article that we just used, right? We could just paste it in and it will actually create a nice summary of this article, right? So let's just paste it in like this. Let's see if we could just grab the whole thing. Let's see if we can paste this in. All right, a summary, maximum length 400. We click generate and it will start generating a summary. Point 1, identify your target audience. Point 2, post consistently. Point 3, point 4. As you can see, it's just creating a summary of this long article that we pasted in. And this is amazing because the summary is very easy to read, right? To read the whole article would cost you a lot of time. So this is really a time saver. And you can even create summaries of different kind of pieces of knowledge online and save them to a folder, right? So you can actually look them up whenever you feel the need to get that knowledge. So this is an amazing tool as well. Also, it doesn't only rewrite or write original content with AI, it even creates images for you. So to create images, you just head over to the AI image generator. And the only thing you have to do here is put in a certain prompt, right? It has this example right here, cityscape at sunset in retro vector illustration. Okay, that's great, sounds good. So let's actually try that. Cityscape at sunset, retro vibe and cartoon style. Let's see what happens. Click generate. I have 125 images I can use per month, but that also depends on what kind of plan you will get. So this is actually great. This is amazing result. So this is actually what we asked for, right? So it looks very good. So in this way you can you can create different kind of prompts, generate different kind of images, and of course the image will also be in your documents to use or to edit whenever you want to. So apart from all these templates, WordSpinner has a few extra features, right? So one of the features is actually AI chat. You can actually chat with an AI. So let's say you want have advice on travel. You could just click on the travel advisor and then you could start a new conversation right here. You could have different chats right here, or you could just use this chat. Hi, I'm Bilbo Harris. I'm a travel advisor. I can assist you with your travel plans, provide destination recommendations, or offer guidance on travel related inquiries. All right, this is great. So let's say I'd like recommendations for Colombia. I'm actually planning to go, so just send and let's see what it says. Colombia is a country with diverse landscapes, vibrant cities, rich histories, and warm hospitality. Here are some recommendations. Bogota, start your journey in the capital. Visit attractions like historic district of La Candelaria. Sounds very good. Gold Museum. Monserrate Hill. Cartagena is nice to go. So as you can see, it's giving us all these recommendations, right? By the way, you could use this AI chat to start, let's say, a travel blog, right? And just ask the AI chat to create recommendations for you and write a blog about that. So that's a great way. So you could say something like, tell me more about number 4, or let's say number 3 actually. Number 3, Medellin. And then it will tell me more about Medellin, the second largest city of Colombia, undergone remarkable transformation. So this is very good. So this way you can really go in depth on the features, right? On in this case, all the points it gave us. And in this way you could even expand on all the points to create a full blog post for your website. All right, so that's AI chat. As you can see, there are different kinds of, counselors here and experts that you could ask certain things, even a language tutor that could teach you, let's say, English or Spanish or whatever. If you're a coder, or if you're trying to code, or you just need a snippet for your website, it even has a built-in AI code module where you can just create HTML. Right here, you can actually put in the coding language for simple menu containing these items: home, blog, about us, and pricing. Well, let's see if it can help us generate that. Now it's generating, and it actually created a nice HTML header that we can use for our HTML website and just paste it in. So this is a great way to create code if you're not that tech savvy, if you don't know how to write code. So it's even built in right there. All right, so this is a Word Spinner in a quick overview. I will definitely go in depth on certain features of Word Spinner in future videos. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of Word Spinner. If you like Word Spinner as a tool, there's a link in the description that you can click. It's an affiliate link, and you help out this channel so we can create more amazing content in the future. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video on tool review. We review tools so you don't have to. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.